A bird above trees spotting a sunbathing snake below.
Hey, Snake, why are you always down there?
I enjoy living in the ground, Bird. It's my comfortable place.
The bird and snake meet on a lovely forest path.
Would you like to try flying with me?
Oh, I can't fly. That's not possible for me.
The bird feeling sad for the snake not being able to fly.
It's okay, Snake. We can still be friends despite our differences.
The bird and snake walk together along a beautiful riverbank.
I enjoy flying, but I also love exploring your unique world, Snake. I'm glad you appreciate my life, Bird. We can learn and grow together.
The bird and snake help each other cross the river.
Don't worry, Snake. I'll help you cross this river.
Thank you, Bird. We may be different, but we can complement each other.
The bird and snake search for food together.
Let's search for food together, Snake. We can find more if we work together.
You're right, Bird. Even though we're different, we can help and look out for each other.
The bird and snake sit on a large rock laughing and sharing stories.
Ha ha ha, Snake. Your stories always make me laugh.
I'm happy to bring you joy, Bird. Our friendship is the greatest gift.
The bird and snake showing the strength of their friendship.
Snake, despite our differences, we have mutual respect and dependence. Our friendship teaches us to appreciate differences and stay united.